Hello everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to report a fake channel on Telegram. It's important to keep the platform safe and free from misleading content, so let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Use the search function to find the channel you want to report. Once you've located the channel, tap on it to open the chat. In the chat, tap on the Options menu located at the top right corner, usually represented by three dots. From the menu, select More to access additional options. Then, tap on Report to initiate the reporting process. In the report options, choose Other as the reason for reporting. Type your report message, indicating that the channel is fake. Once you've entered your report, tap on Report to submit. And that's it. You've successfully reported a fake channel on Telegram. Your contribution helps to keep the platform safe for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!